Hi, it's Becky, and today we're going to be making a sweet set of nails using the Double Rhythm Sweet Tea collection. This set has some gorgeous shades ranging from a creamy white all the way down to a soft pink. This collection includes the 6 colors you see here, all in 15 ml glass bottles, and they are really soft sheer polishes. The bottles have a beautiful ombre finish to them, and they also have a swatch on the top indicating the color and number. There's also included in the box a product use manual which goes over the prep, how to apply your base coat, the gel polish, and the curing time is listed between 60 and 120 seconds in a UV LED lamp, and also to apply a top coat afterwards and cure that again for 60 to 120 seconds. The swatch card I showed you was actually included in the collection, and here on the back of the packaging they do list out the ingredients if you want to get a closer look at that. And they also go over the directions again on that box. Now, let's take a look at some of the goodies we're going to use in the creation of this set of nails today. I did purchase the Double Rhythm base and top coat. They are both HEMA-free, and the champagne bottle is the base coat, and the top coat is the pretty pearlescent finish. The top coat is scratch resistant and non-yellowing. Then I also have a collection of stickers that I did win as part of a giveaway from Colleen's Beauty World. And I'm looking to use possibly one of these 3 that I think would coordinate really nicely with the shades found in the Sweet Tea collection. I also have these nail charms, which I have not been able to find anything similar off of Amazon. You may be able to hunt these down possibly on one of the discount sales sites such as Shein or Temu or AliExpress, but these are so pretty. And just to get a close up, there is 2 styles that have a sheer iridescent glitter to them, and then the other ones are more of a soft solid pastel, but they look like they're made with like a pearlescent type finish. Because of their size and length and the fact that they don't have much of a curve on the underside, I've been trying to come up with a design that I could use them. So today's set is perfect because we're using a medium length stiletto nail. So I think to prep them, it would be good to maybe sand the back of them before applying them with some rhinestone glue. I also am going to dive into my collection of butterfly charms, which I recently had some help from my daughter to put them into these little compartments that I purchased off of Amazon haul. And I do have some little individual butterfly wings that I would love to play around with. And then I also have a couple of other nail charms. These boxes are a little difficult to open, but I do like them because they do store everything nicely and separate. Okay, anyways, so I'm going to try to incorporate as many of these little butterfly charms as I can. And then the set of nails we're going to use today for this collection is my favorite, the stiletto from LuckyFairy. And this is a medium stiletto, and they really are nice. They have a nice firm stiff free edge, and then towards the cuticle line they do have that wonderful flexibility and are tapered. Underneath there is a good portion that is pre-buffed, and then on the top there is a slight curve to them, but not a huge apex, but very gentle slope downward and just a beautiful point to them. So I like this length and the durability of these nail tips. This box came with 504 pieces, and it does range in sizes from 0 through 11, so that is 12 sizes altogether. All right, let's dive into the creation of the nails. Now, typically with the press-on nails, I would buff the whole top surface, and of course I go in and sand off that little nib on the tip of the nail, and I would normally do all that prep off camera, but here I'm just going to come in and apply a base coat. I wanted to show you that the base coat is thin in texture and it is not super strong in odor, and it also levels out really nicely. It also helps with adhesion of your colored gel products. You need to cure this between 60 and 120 seconds in a full-size UV LED lamp. I'm going to be using this selection of Pat Pat gels. However, right now on Amazon, there is another brand called ABAC, which I really like, and they are on sale, and they have a special deal where if you purchase one of their 24 color palettes, that you will also get a bonus free palette. So you can check out a link in the description box for that. Using a Pat Pat gel in a similar shade to the sheer polish that you're going to be using is a great way to hide your natural nail underneath the press-on. So here's the base set of nails that we're working with. I use the shades A1764, which is that really soft creamy color, and then the green is the A1766, and then the pink is the A1769. And I decided to go with these two sticker sets with the creation of the nails because they had the best colors that coordinated. And I also like the sparkly rhinestones that are already self-attached to them, as well as the beautiful butterflies. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Welcome to my new subscribers, and thank you so much for stopping back if you're one of my regulars. Let's get back to the creation of the nails. And here's how the final set looks with its beautiful glossy top coat and all the butterfly embellishments that I included. What are your thoughts? Make sure you leave me a comment in the description box. I did find it a little challenging at first to adhere the butterfly wings. I had to end up using a little bit of clear 3D gel just to make sure they were securely on there, but I am so thrilled with the outcome. Let's take a close-up look. So after that last double rhythm set of polishes, the Sweet Tea collection that I unboxed, I decided to grab another double rhythm. Okay, I think I've officially found a brand off of Amazon that I really, really like. Thank you for watching today, and don't forget to hit that like button as well as subscribe if you want to see some more great nail content in the future. I will see you in the next video.